loves, welcome back to my channel. So back with another pixie cut wig, y'all. I think I keep trying these because I've been wanting to cut my hair into a pixie cut for like years now. So I think I keep trying to see what I'm gonna look like because I'm getting closer and closer to doing it. But yeah, this one is from Best Lace, y'all, and it came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and the lace is pretty much invisible, okay? So I'm already starting off with the section that I'm going to cut off. I tried it on, but for some reason I didn't record that part. And this is what the part that's inside the duck clip is what I'm going to remove. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this baby nice and flat before I put it on. I like to style my hair for the most part on the wig head because it's just easier, especially with shorter hair, so you can really get the back and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. But before I do that, I'm also going to add the perfect line to my part like always, so I can get this to look like scalp. And yeah, I have details for everything that I'm using with coupon codes and everything down below.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like fire.
Okay, so I got her nice and styled and nice and flat, and now I can go ahead and put it on. So I already have my wig cap done. If you guys want a detailed video on that, I will leave one down below, and I'll have one pop up at the top for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the lace. And then for adhesive today, I'm going to use the black tube Got To Be glue with a little bit of the ORS spray on top once I have it like set already. So I forgot to put a little bit of my foundation powder on the lace, so I went ahead and did that. And then I also needed to cut the ear tab on this side just a tiny bit. It was kind of hanging on my ear, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and then I'll apply the wig.
Cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
One time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Parachute. One time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times, won't you be mine? This love thing can take time. Yeah, and no matter how long it takes.
So I tied it down for about 10 minutes, and now I can go ahead and remove it and do the finishing touches. So I'm going to go ahead and fix the part a little bit because the part is not as neat, I guess, as I would want it to be. So I'm going to fix the part, and then I'm going to use a little bit of black and brown eyeshadow like always, and I'm going to thin the part out so it could be a little bit more narrow and a little more clean. And then I'm going to flat iron it a bit more just to get like the swoop and stuff to shape my face.
I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs.
So when you use the wax stick on like the edges, don't press too hard because it's going to turn white like mine just did. But don't worry about that. I'm letting it sit for a minute so it can like melt down. And then I'm just going to go in with the end of my pressing comb and kind of lightly tap it over the part that looks white. But not too much because you don't want to burn yourself. You just want to kind of lightly tap it and it'll melt the whiteness away, basically, like right there.
I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. Yeah. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love.
So there was like this little ducktail situation happening in the back, so I went ahead and took my shears and removed it. And then there's also a little piece on the side that was a little too long that I'm going to remove as well.
With me, let me be your parachute. Parachute. Let's fly, let's fly.
Look how flat this thing is from the side. Like, it looks so good. So I'm just taking a little bit of foundation powder and going along the edges, and that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. This is it. It came out so cute. I do wish I would have put a little bit more volume in it, but I was so set on getting it so straight for some reason. But yeah, it came out cute. I ended up putting a little headband on just to see what it will look like all pushed back, and that is it for this video. I love you guys. I'll see you on my next one.